If you are looking to make your money work harder, the Westpac High Interest Account is a standout option. Westpac offers a competitive interest rate that can help your savings grow faster than a standard transaction account. The interest is calculated daily and paid monthly, allowing your money to compound efficiently over time. There are no hidden fees that eat into your balance, and the account provides full access to online and mobile banking, giving you the flexibility to manage your funds anytime, anywhere. This account is ideal for those who want a simple, low-risk way to maximize their savings. It comes with no monthly account fees if you maintain the minimum balance required, and you can open it with an initial deposit of just $1. The high interest rate applies to balances up to $100,000, giving you a solid opportunity to grow a substantial portion of your savings quickly. Westpac also occasionally offers bonus interest when you deposit regularly, making it easier to stay disciplined with your saving goals. Accessibility is another advantage. You can transfer funds between accounts instantly, pay bills, and even set up automatic transfers to ensure you are consistently building your savings. The account also supports debit card access, meaning you can use your funds when needed while still earning interest. Security is a major consideration, and Westpac provides robust protection for all deposits, making this account not only profitable but safe. Compared to other high-interest accounts in the market, Westpac consistently ranks high for customer satisfaction, reliability, and ease of use. Overall, the Westpac High Interest Account is an excellent tool for anyone seeking growth without taking risks. It combines a competitive interest rate, fee-free structure, flexible access, and strong security, making it a top choice for smart savers looking to maximize their financial potential.